My name is Vincent Finlay. I'm 17 years old from Leicestershire, UK. I've been playing drums since 5. I completed all my rock school grades at 14, and I also auditioned for the School of Rock West End production when I was 11. Out of thousands of applicants, I made it to the final 10 drummers, but didn't make it any further, unfortunately. But this kind of pushed me and want me to do more. I've been playing in and around the UK since I've been 16, playing many various different cities to various different crowds and sizes. I currently play with Kid Clumsy. They are a band signed by STP Records, which is a pretty good punk and alternative label. We embarked on a tour, our own headline tour across the UK earlier this year, and they do their own headline shows and get on with festivals. We do a lot of good support acts, etc. But also I'm doing some other session work, in particular for this one pop artist who I will be going to Europe with in a couple of months' time as my first ever pro level gig, essentially. I'm also doing some function work with a big agency company that spans many countries, has many different big and small session players on there, and I'm doing a load of parties, weddings, and corporate events with them. I love the 5A reach sticks really much so. They've really fitted my playing style. I love like the extra bit of length on them as well. It's better to get my hands around it and get the weight that I want behind them. But I also like these 5A sticks as well, which I have with me. They're really cool, really durable, no complaints, honestly. I've used the 5A reach for a lot of gigs and a lot of practicing of different people's sets and stuff recently, and they're still holding up just great as they were. It's really good so far. The people in Collision are great. The people that I've spoke to as well, they're all really cool so far, and the sticks are great, which is obviously an extra bonus, and I'm really looking forward to working with them in the future. But for now, the video I'm about to show you is the one from I believe Waterloo in Blackpool. If anybody's been there watching this, you'll know how much of a cool venue it is. We played there with my band Kid Clumsy as a part of a 3-day Easter bank holiday festival. And this is a song from our set, a little drum cam that I take with me. So, I hope you enjoy.